Today we are going to talk about group 7 elements from the past papers. So the chemical elements are arranged in the product table as uh, shown in the group and periods. Chlorine, bromine and iodine are group 7 elements. Okay. Aqueous chlorine reacts with aqueous sodium bromide to produce aqueous bromine and aqueous sodium chloride. Okay, complete the equation. Okay, I will just zoom in. So complete this equation. So we know one thing that there is 2 Na, so we have to put 2 over here, 2, and that is Br2. We have 2 bromine, so that is Br2. Okay, so we balance this equation as well as completed it. Suggest why aqueous iodine does not react with sodium bromide. Iodine is less reactive than bromine. Bromine is more reactive than iodine because it is above the iodine. Okay, so iodine is less reactive. Iodine is less reactive than bromine than Br. Okay, that's a simple uh, dot and cross diagram of iodine. Iodine have 7 electrons in their outermost shell, where 6 are not making any bond, but seventh electron with another iodine will make a bond. Okay, so that is the structure of iodine. Okay, 3 lone pair and 1 bond pair, that will make 8 electrons. Okay, that is question number 2. Potassium iodide is an ionic compound. Okay, aqueous chlorine reacts with aqueous potassium iodide. Complete the simple equation for this reaction. Okay, so what are reacting? We know that is 2K, so we will put 2 over here. Where is 2 over here? Okay, because there is 2 potassium iodide. So, and the other thing is iodine. We have 2 iodine, so that would be I2. Okay, choose from the list the name of the following type of reaction. Draw a circle around your chosen answer. State the color of chlorine gas at room temperature. Mm, okay, which type of reaction is that? That is a displacement. So iodine is displaced by chlorine. So iodine is displaced by chlorine. So this is displacement reaction. Okay. State the color of gas at room temperature. Chlorine. Okay. Chlorine is yellow green, pale yellow green or yellow green. Okay. Yellow green. Okay. Now question number 3. Table 2.1 shows some properties of halogens. Okay. So fluorine has a melting point of 2 minus 220, boiling point 188. Okay, okay, okay. What is the melting point of bromine? That would be between minus 100 and plus 100. For example, I will say 50. Okay, 50 is a good estimate. Okay, 50. Any value between minus 100 or minus 80 to plus 80. Okay, what is the density of iodine? Iodine should be greater than 3.1. So I will say 5. Okay, why? Because you can 5, because trend is increasing. Okay, down the group. Okay, state the physical state of chlorine at minus 10. Gives the reason. What is minus 10? Chlorine is in its gas form, because that is a boiling point minus 35. So it would be in gas form. Why? Because gas, I will write gas form. Why? Because minus 10 Celsius is above, minus 10 Celsius is above boiling point. Okay, boiling point. Okay, the equation reaction. reaction of an aqueous chlorine with the aqueous potassium iodide is shown. Cl2 plus 2Ki gives us I2 plus 2KCl. Choose the word which best describe this type of chemical reaction. That is again displacement. Why? Because iodine has been replaced by chlorine. Okay. Explain why aqueous iodine does not react with aqueous potassium chloride, because iodine is less reactive than chlorine, so it cannot replace chlorine. Okay. Question number 4. Some properties of halogens. Okay. Okay. The color of astatine is dark. It should be dark color. So gray black. So it should be black. Okay. As we move down, color is becoming dark, so it is black. You can see the trend. Okay. Boiling point of bromine. Bromine is between -32 plus 180. Any value that could be 0 or 10, 20. Okay. State the state of iodine at 190. Where is iodine? Iodine boiling point is 184, so in at 190 it is gas. Okay. Aqueous chlorine reacts with aqueous potassium bromide as shown. Okay. Name the salt form in this reaction, that is called potassium chloride. Okay. Explain why aqueous bromine does not react with potassium chloride, because bromine is less reactive than chlorine, so it cannot replace chlorine from potassium chloride. Okay. Cross and dot diagram of chlorine. Okay, I will do it. So chlorine has 7 electron. Six of them will not make a bond. So, and only one of them will make a bond. So it has three lone pair. Pair means 2 electron. So three lone pair means 6 electrons, and one bond pair means 2 electrons are bonded with each other. Okay. This question is about chlorine and compounds of chlorine. Chlorine is the atom in group 7 of a periodic table. So state the meaning of term element. Element is substance that contain only one type of atom. Okay. For example, Cl2 is an element. Okay, because it can contain one type of electron. State one use of chlorine for water treatment and, for example, killing bacteria. Okay, I will write it here. That is killing bacteria. Chlorine reacts with phosphorus to produce phosphorus 5 chloride. Balance the equation of this reaction. Phosphorus is, there is 2 phosphorus, so we will multiply this with 2. Okay, how many chlorine are here? 2 fives are 10, so we will multiply this with 5. Okay, so this is a balanced equation. Exothermic reaction we have done a lot of times. Exothermic reaction is a reaction that release thermal energy to the surrounding. Okay, that is quite simple. Iodine reacts with aqueous sodium bromide. Complete this word equation. So chlorine will replace sodium bromide, so will become sodium chloride chloride plus bromine, because bromine is less reactive. As you move down the group, group 7 elements will become less reactive. Describe the test for bromine ion. Okay, add nitric acid and aqueous silver nitrate. Okay, add nitric acid, that is HNO3 plus aqueous silver nitrate silver nitrate. Observation is cream precipitate. Okay, observation is cream precipitate. Okay. When bromine is mixed with the aqueous sodium chloride, there is no reaction. Bromine is less reactive than chloride, so it cannot replace it. Okay. Question number six is question halogens and halogen compounds. Reduce the number of electron, proton, and neutron in one isotope of chlorine, that is 37 and 17. So it has 17 electron, 20 neutron, and 17 proton. State why chlorine is used for water treatment. I have We have already done this. Done this. They kill bacteria. Kill bacteria. Oh, okay. Aqueous chlorine reacts with aqueous iodide. Okay. Again, uh, that is two, because there is two chlorine, and that is also two. Why? Because now we have to balance that. So that's a balance equation. Explain in terms of reactivity of a halogen why aqueous iodine does not react with aqueous potassium chloride. Again, I will say that chlorine is more reactive than iodine, so iodine cannot replace chlorine. Okay. Okay. So this table of complete the boiling point of fluorine. Fluorine boiling point should be uh, 105 minus 105. Okay, or anything less than 35. Okay, I am taking 105. That is correct. Okay, I am just predicting. Okay, any value between greater less than minus 35. So I take 105. Okay. Okay. Now the density should be between 1.51 and 3.1. I'm saying 2.2. Okay, 2.2. Okay. Predict the physical state of chlorine at 105. Where is chlorine? Chlorine 105 minus 105. Yes, it is in solid form. Okay, that is less than the melting point, so it is in solid form. That is all about it. Please subscribe to our channel. We work really hard to make those videos, and if you want to get online classes, you can contact us as well.